This week is Learning Disability Week, and the theme this year is Do You See Me? To highlight the importance of people with a learning disability being seen, heard and valued in society. I was glad to chair the Senedd cross-party group on learning disability earlier today, which serves, I think, such an important purpose in ensuring the voices and views of people with learning disabilities, their family, carers and advocates are heard by the Senedd. We heard from the inspirational Michael Bainan, a Mencap Mythbuster, and Richie Horrigan from Gig Buddies Cymru about how visibility is not just about being seen, but also about being recognised, respected and included. There are, of course, too many people with a learning disability locked away out of sight in hospitals and mental health units when they should not be. The Stolen Lives Homes Not Hospitals campaign are still finding evidence of human rights abuses which must be stopped. A topic we often discuss also in the cross-party group is the importance of respite support for carers. Mencap Cymru runs a respite house in Penparcau in Aberystwyth, and 10 brave support workers will be undertaking a parachute jump in September to raise money to install a new sensory room at the respite house. So pob luck to them. Mencap have also this week launched their Wales State of the Nation Survey 2025, and I urge all members to share the survey with their constituents to ensure that the views of people with a learning disability are seen by policymakers. As Michael Bainan so powerfully told the cross-party group today, being visible leads to understanding, understanding leads to inclusion, inclusion leads to real change.